Is it going? Okay, it's going. Halo Gamers, it's Pro Gamer, and today we're playing Monkey City. Why did I say sitting? We're using this one, boys. We're using the cloud one. It's the cloud, boys. Look at this. Okay, we can't fit cash. Monkey business. Go. Oh boy. And research long-range darts. Okay, we're gonna capture land, guys. I want that. Let's capture it. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Tap on a building after it has finished to complete the construction. Bloons Town. I don't even know, okay? Just start the flipping round. Alright? Don't ask me. Don't ask me. That's all I'm saying. Man, it's gonna take forever for them to actually... Okay, there we go. They're bursting at the seams. Oh, alright. Let's do this. We got 3 dart monkeys. And we just won. Get roasted. We got no lives lost. Look at that monkey soldier. He's just happy. He's so happy. There we go. Hurry up. Yeah, that's right, Super Monkey. You show them, boys. Hey, I leveled up. I'm better than all of you. Upgrades. Upgrades. The Monkey Academy? What? Okay, fine. I'll just fight more things for you. You know I'm lazy. Lazy people are supposed to do that. Whatever. Okay, we're just kind of... Boop. 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 Bop. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Kill it. I just smash it with a knife. Ah! Let's do it, boys. Let's roast them, boys. Let's straight roast them. All them cows. Them cows. We're roasting them with them cows. All right. Probably gonna be a short video. Okay, right here we're gonna build the Monkey Academy. Build right here. Thank you. Finish it now. Do some research. Let's do that indeed, buddy. Upgrades. Let's do it. Skip. Hey, okay. Later, I don't care. I ain't reporting. I ain't helping no one. Alright, let's do this. So we need to take some more land. The Icy Barrens. I don't like the look of this. Oh, this is really easy looking. Yeah, this is actually super easy looking. Like, really super duper easy. Hold on, I'm doing something. Gotta adjust things to a perfect amount of death and destruction. Okay, you can now upgrade your Dart Monkeys. Upgrades also cost funds. Let's upgrade. Okay, whatever. Shoot further. I wish we could go in the trees. That would be nice. Why'd you tell me to put him over there, huh? Huh, bub? Huh? You really... This is why I don't like people, okay? People are freaking jerks. Tell you to put things where you're not supposed to. I'm going forward in time. I don't know. Trap on a building after it's finished to complete the construction. Thanks. Oh boy. You've captured a forest terrain thing. Yahoo! Move on up. Let's do that one. Let's do this one. Move a building. Right. There we go. You're going down here, buddy. I'm gonna put that back. Yeah, I'm putting that back. Hope you're okay with that. Had several complaints of monkeys claiming it's proving navigator all time. There's one thing I hate, it's monkeys complain. Check out your decorations, build some paths. Continue. It's 5 paths. Okay. Place 5 paths. Decorations, paths, dirt. Just I don't know where to put them, just... Sitting around and ignoring complaints. Nice. Bombs away. Supporting parts of orders. Pick them off these. Explosions. Build a bomb range. Yes, a new tower. Yes, please. Just gonna skip. Be right back selling. Okay, sorry, I was just like selling out. Okay, there we go. Finished. I got leveled it up. Me think about those babies. Good work, soldier. Thanks. That's really nice of you to say. Thank you. I want to do this guy's stuff. Challenge yourself to a tougher fight. 4 circles and higher. 4 circles. Where's that? I'm gonna do 4 circles. Let's get this one. But first, I'm actually gonna do Mr. Science's quest. Mr. Science, oh my, one of the reasons. It's a city stream surface power itself. We should recertify this already. A windmill. Gosh, we already have one though. Oh, whatever. I can't build one right now. I have to attack this place of honorable places. Red hot spikes and monkey boosts. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Bombs. Explosions. Boom booms. The boom booms. Te boom booms. Uh-oh, watch out for the boom booms. The boom boom's gonna get you. And this game's cool. At about 15 minutes, I'm probably gonna stop the video. Because, I mean, why not? Alright. What? Dang it, why do these things happen? Why do these things always happen? Seriously. I don't care. Okay, for real. Okay, there we go. I don't care. Be real honest here. There's a dead Moab over there. I have to build a windmill. I want to build a flippin' windmill. Can I sell out to, I can't. 29 minutes? Dang it, that's a long time. Wait.
Adventure capitalist. Capitalism is easy. Start by squeezing some lemons and hire someone to do it for you. Purchase fine.
Hold on.
Then diversify your portfolio. More fun than it sounds. Oh, wait, there's more. Shoot for the stars.
Alright, now that that's over with. Hold on. Okay, I'm done selling out. We can get the building now. We got it. Food, that should buy us the time. We continue. Okay. Whatever, I don't like this. Okay. Let's go for that treasure chest down there. Actually, no, I'm going to end the video off right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you gamers next time in the gamer group. Goodbye. Wow.